You are joining the Gadabout Dad and
Charlie.
Today we are on another Red Sea adventure. We're going to go on a
Glass bottom boat.
It's not easy to say, is it? We're going on a glass bottom boat. We're going to see some more fish. Might do a little bit more diving. We're not quite sure yet. So come and join us. Is it the Blue Aquarium semi-submarine? We went on a submarine last year in Barbados. Check the link in the description below. Let's see how this compares. As you can see, it's a very German heavy trip again. One extra guest on today's trip. We all live in a yellow semi-submarine, a yellow semi-submarine, yellow semi-submarine. Do you want to join in? No. We're on a yellow semi-submarine. But a full submarine. See the description below. For our time in Barbados in a real submarine. Remember it?
Very cool.
Was it good?
Yeah, but it sadly wasn't yellow.
No, it wasn't yellow. Well spotted. If the boats are rocking, don't come knocking. Is smoking the German pastime? Seems to be. We're not that far down. Are we going back up?
That's our hotel.
Oh wow. Picking up pace now.
You excited?
Nervous, I'm always nervous. Salt along the lines. And just like that, the cruise is over. We're heading back to shore. Wasn't mad keen on that one, I'll be honest. They made out we were going to see lots and lots of fish. We really didn't. But you live and learn. It's only 20 quid, can't really complain too much. It's a nice boat ride if nothing else. Just hoping that my pants dry out before we get to dry land.